This is On Tilt Trading. Let's review my trade on Cardano today. This morning took some losses early on Bitcoin and Ethereum. This afternoon was able to find trades on Cardano and Solana, which are still active now. To put my charts into perspective, this is candlestick area. This is a volume profile. This is slow stochastic. This is the MACD. This blue line that you see here is the 200 exponential moving average. And this purple line that you can see here, this is the Camarilla pivot R3. This trade is an R3 to an S3 traverse short. So this is a reversal trade on Cardano. And everything that's up here correlates at the bottom chart. This is the 1 minute, and this is the 15 minute. We'll come in and take a closer look at my entry here on the 1 minute. So what I'm seeing here is we have price action below this 200 moving average, which is what I want to see. I also want to see that on the 15 minute correlating with the price action under this 200 EMA here. So right here you can see in this candle price action moves below the 200 EMA where I take my initial entry and then my I add to the position here in this candle, as it's this candle actually opened below the 200 EMA here. And what we're seeing is slightly overbought conditions here on the slow stochastic, and we have what looks like mostly consolidation here on the MACD, and very little momentum here going back and forth between buyers and sellers. So this is just looks like consolidation, or what some people call chop. My trade idea is this is distribution, and the currency pair is preparing to sell off. So here we have the same thing on the 15. On this entry, we have more oversold conditions. We just had a crossover here on the MACD with sellers in control, and good momentum here. Now we'll come in here a little more on the 1 minute chart, and you can see there's quite a bit of consolidation in this area, but you can see we never get back. We never able to get back above the 200 EMA here for a while. We were able to get above the 200 EMA, or Cardano was able to trade above the 200 EMA here, but was able to sell off again, retest, sell off, and right now we're at another retest, and we can just see right here that there's been a crossover of the 200 EMA with the R3 pivot here, and now we're getting another sell-off. Here we have overbought conditions, and we have buyers with good momentum here. But the MACD is now sloping down, and we may get a crossover. We have a crossover here on the slow K, so it's likely we'll head down for another leg. And if this MACD can cross over, here, it'll confirm the move here. Down here in the 15 minute, we're in oversold conditions. We've got the MACD trading under the average, and we've got sellers here in control for a while. So we'll see how this goes. We're less than 15 minutes from the open of the crypto market, so I'll likely put some protective orders on this trade so it doesn't come back too far. Maybe we can get to target, maybe not. We'll see how this goes. I'll come up here, you can see where in all positions my stop is the same. So you can see where my entry is and then where my stop initially was. Profit target is pretty far on these, so I'm likely going to adjust my profit target because it's even below where my 15-minute chart goes. So we'll see what the new cams for today pull up, and then I'll set some orders based on today's cams, today's Camarillo pivot points for a more appropriate price target. I don't want to stay in this thing too long to give it a chance to come back, which it may do anyway, but I'll continue to monitor it and see how it does. If anything, this will just be pulled back to this 200 EMA here on the daily. It seems like here on the 15-minute we've pulled away from it pretty well, done some consolidation here, and maybe selling off again here. But we'll see how this goes. But this is On Tilt Trading. We'll see you next time.